Welcome to Factful Fridays. Want to get the most out of your hybrid's mileage? Let's go through some simple and effective tips. First, keep tires properly inflated as recommended. Underinflated tires can waste fuel due to increased running resistance. Second, the heavier the load is, the more fuel the vehicle consumes. Unload any unnecessary luggage or cargo. Third, avoid excessive idling. Turn off the engine or the hybrid system if parked for over a minute. When starting a cold engine, let it warm up by driving. Never idle or use full throttle until the engine has reached its optimal operating temperature. Fourth, running the vehicle at a high engine rotation speed by using a low-speed gear will result in poor fuel economy. Use the correct gear according to the vehicle speed. Fifth, avoid fast starts and accelerate smoothly. A steady pace not only saves fuel but also extends engine life. Sixth, drive at a constant speed, keeping road and traffic conditions in mind. Seventh, a clean air filter improves engine efficiency and reduces fuel consumption. If the air cleaner is clogged with dust, there will be greater intake resistance, resulting in decreased power output and increased fuel consumption. And that's all. Follow these tips for a smoother drive and better mileage. Want us to cover a specific topic? Drop your suggestions in the comments and you might see it in the next episode of Factful Fridays. Visit your nearest Maruti Suzuki dealership to get your vehicle checked. Stay tuned, stay informed, because we are always by your side.